Welcome back to the Moxie Minute, guys. Today we're going to talk about inverters. The first is a string inverter, the second is a micro inverter, and the third is a DC optimized system. The string inverter is the one that most people are familiar with. The problem is we consider it like Christmas lights. If one panel goes down, it affects the entire array negatively. The second is the micro inverter. It's an individual inverter on the back of each panel. So it inverts the power from direct current to alternating current right at the panel level. The DC optimized system is the best of both worlds. It allows us to monitor the systems through an individual optimizer, a little computer on the back of each module. For your house, it's definitely more important that we be able to see how each individual system is working at any given time, and for you to be able to see it as well. As part of the Moxie 5-star guarantee, not only do we monitor your system, but we give you the ability to do so for free through our Solar Edge inverters. This makes it easy for not only us, but you to keep track of your system's performance and make sure that there are no issues that require maintenance on in the future. That's why the DC optimized is our preferred form of inverter.